Vice Ganda and the Breadwinner since kayo yung kumanta ng OST?
Sorry po.
Yung ano lang, reaction or your message for Vice Ganda and the whole movie.
So Ate Vice, congratulations po in advance and we're very excited to watch the whole film. And nandito po kami not only to support the film but also to support yung mga artists natin na kasama ng project na to. And we're very happy na kasama yung mga kanta namin sa this year's MMFF. Yeah, we're very happy.
Okay na kayo ngayong MMFF